31 meteorologist Rob Elvington joins us now with a check of the weather. Rob, looks like it's going to be rainy this afternoon.
And cold coming in.
Yeah, but you got a little bit of a window. We're in a kind of a lull right now. So if you need to get outside, get some things done. It's windy, but look at that. We're seeing temperatures already up to 61 degrees in Guntersville. Even seeing quite a bit of sunshine breaking through these passing clouds. It's going to take until closer to the late afternoon hours and into this evening before the widespread rain and storms move in. That's a look at the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. We are dry. We had some showers earlier. Those have since moved off to the north. And you'll notice on the satellite, a lot of breaks in the cloud cover. If you head to Lawrence County, parts of Morgan County, look at Culver County, you've got mostly clear skies in place. So it's actually a pretty nice Wednesday afternoon, other than some of those gusty winds. The main event, it's still well off to our west, and we actually kind of have two lines setting up. You have the main line ahead of the cold front, and then another line right here, which is mostly showers. So we may get a little bit of that by the late afternoon hours, but the main line, that's going to be moving in by this evening. You can even put a track on it. It's moving at about 20 miles per hour right now, so if it holds steady at that speed, it'll be moving into places like Florence at 6:39, Russellville at about 7:31. If we continue that, that main line being right over top of Huntsville, closer to about 10 o'clock tonight. Again, that could change some depending on that forward speed. Again, ahead of the cold front, it's going to be windy, but those are south winds, so it's bringing in that warmer air, allowing for temperatures up into the low 60s here this afternoon. And then right at 10 o'clock, look at that, 10 p.m., start to see that wind shift, and then you go straight to a north wind, and then we're just going to see cold air racing in. And that may allow for even a little bit of a switch over here by tonight and into the overnight hours. Some sleet, some freezing rain possible, but not enough to create any big issues. That's a look at the evening planning for tonight. Again, that cold front moving in, thunderstorm chances going up, though we're not expecting anything strong or severe, but we'll keep a close eye on that. The other big concern here tonight into the overnight hours, we're going to see some pretty heavy rainfall. Look at that. Some areas picking up an inch of rain all the way through tomorrow morning. It's a lot of rainfall in about a 6-hour window, and we are already saturated. Streams, creeks, and rivers are still running high from the previous storm, so it's not going to take much for some of those to go back up into minor flood stage. Look at this. This is the feels like temperature. We're stopping it at 10 o'clock tonight. Look how sharp that line is with that cold front coming in, and it just continues to race through North Alabama through tomorrow morning. 7 a.m. for that morning commute. We could be tracking wind chills, or what it feels like, down into the teens, maybe the mid-teens tomorrow morning. And then by tomorrow afternoon, not much of an improvement, mid to upper 20s. Again, that's with the wind and that cold air in place. And if you thought tomorrow morning was bad, look at Friday morning, another day down into the teens and low 20s, and that continues all the way into your Friday afternoon. So there's a look at future radar. Again, this is through this evening. Heavy rain, thunderstorms, some gusty winds, but not expected to be severe. That's the cold front right there. Decatur, Moulton, Athens, Huntsville, all seeing heavy rain, gusty winds around 10 o'clock tonight. And then there's that switch over coming in on the backside. So again, you get that little burst of some freezing rain and sleet pellets, but it's just not enough to really make for any big issues. But be careful on some of those bridges and overpasses by tomorrow morning. And then we're back to dry conditions into your Friday morning, but could see a few flurries for areas closer to the Georgia state line into your Friday afternoon. Yeah, it's going to be feeling like January through the next 5 to 7 days. Hey, we may touch 50 by Monday of next week, but that's about as best we could do. Temperatures down into the low 30s and mid 30s for your Friday afternoon.
Spring.